Hey guys, this is Mopar Wholesale Parts, and what I'm showing you here is a red push button ignition switch module. This is the module here. It's this little box it comes in. I'm showing you this because your vehicle probably comes with a black ignition switch that looks like this one. But you want the red button, you want to give it a better look and enhance the look of your vehicle. Here it is up close. See, when they're put next to each other, like in the picture, how much cooler does the red button look? Did someone say race car? Pretty cool, right? Installing this shouldn't be too hard. You just push it into the hole in the upper console area where you removed the old black push to start button. But be sure to connect the switch to the module. You'll see the opening in the end from where you disconnected the old module. Then you're ready to go. I will have the link below to purchase this cool red push to start button, but be sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Mopar Wholesale Parts. Thanks for watching.